making chicken enchiladas. And I'm just shredding the chicken in the pan. This is about 2 chicken breasts. I'm just adding some green chilies to the pan and some jalapenos. So we just added chicken stock to the pan, and like I mentioned earlier, are you okay, Ellie? And like I mentioned earlier, we have jalapenos, green chilies, chicken, and then I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of paprika. And I'm also gonna add 1/2 cup of cream. And in this pan, I'm going to be making the cream sauce. To this mixture, I'm just adding 1/2 cup of cream. And then I'm just going to let it sit. So now I'm making the cream sauce. I just added 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. So I'm just letting that cook through before I add the liquids. To the roux, I just added some chicken stock, about 1 cup, and I'm just stirring it in. And it's become a very creamy consistency. So I'm just going to pour this to the chicken mixture, and the recipe will be linked below. To the sauce mixture, I just added sour cream, paprika, a little bit of the green chili, and Monterey Jack cheese. So this is what the chicken and chili mixture looks like after you empty a lot of the liquids into the cream sauce. And here's what the cream sauce looks like. I just add a little bit of salt and pepper just to season it a little bit more. Now I'm going to be frying some corn tortillas and just assembling this entire dish together. Right here I have some white corn tortillas, and I'm just going to assemble the chicken mixture with the corn tortillas. To assemble everything together, you pretty much pile on top the chicken mixture, and you add a little bit of the Monterey Jack cheese to the top, and you roll it up, put it inside a dish, and bake it for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So this is what the finished product looks like.
How could you leave the keys in the car? This is the first time I've stuff like this done.